जय माँ भारती समाचार अखिल ब्रह्मांड की भूत भविष्यवाणी की आई हार्टली वेलकम यू टू द PMA समाचार channel from the international world. Turkmenistan is a country in Central Asia bordered by the Caspian Sea and largely covered by the Karakum Desert. It's known for archaeological ruins including those at Nesha and Mara stops along the ancient trade route, the Silk Road. Ashgabat, the capital, was rebuilt in Soviet style in the mid 20th century and is filled with grand monuments honoring former President Saparmurat Niyazov. India-Turkmenistan relations refers to the bilateral relationship between India and Turkmenistan. India has an embassy in Ashgabat, which opened in 1994. Turkmenistan has an embassy in New Delhi, country. There is request for prevention from dengue by PM Narendra Modi. Education BHU timetable is released. Sacraments. After HDFC ICICI Bank in People's Bank of China entering environment. Mahanadi is a major river in East Central India. It drains an area of 1,41,600 square kilometers and has total course of 858 kilometers. Mahanadi is also known for the Hirakud Dam. The river flows through the states of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. Invention: a magnifying glass is a convex lens that is used to produce a magnified image of an object. The lens is usually mounted in a frame with a handle. A magnifying glass can be used to focus light, such as to concentrate the sun's radiation to create a hot spot, and the focus for fire steering. Great Persian Ras Bihari Bose was born on 25th May 1886. He was an anti-revolutionary leader against the British Raj. He was born in village Subaldaha, Purva Bardhaman district of the West Bengal. He was one of the key organizers of Gadar Mutiny and later the Indian National Army. Ras Bihari Bose handed over Indian National Army to Subhash Chandra Bose. Crops: barley, a member of the grass family, is a major cereal grain grown in temperate climates globally. It was one of the first cultivated grains, particularly in Eurasia, as early as 10,000 years ago. Barley has been used as animal fodder, as a source of fermentable material for beer and certain distilled beverages, and as a component of various health foods. It is used in soups and stews and in barley bread of various cultures. Barley grains are commonly made into malt in a traditional and ancient method of preparation. Flower: Dhatura is a genus of 9 species of poisonous vespertine flowering plants belonging to the family Solanaceae. They are commonly known as thorn apples or Jimson weeds, but are also known as devil's trumpets. Other English common names include moonflower, devil weeds, and hell bells. Yoga Sarvangashan, shoulder stand, or more fully Shalam Sarvangashan, is an inverted asana in modern yoga as exercise. Similar poses were used in medieval Hatha yoga. Many named variation exist, including with legs in lotus position and Supkonasana with legs wide apart, toes on the ground. The health benefits of Sarvangasana: improves digestion, stretch the shoulders and neck, tones the legs and buttocks, help relieves the symptoms of menopause, reduces fatigue, and elevates insomnia. Universe: Mount Kosciuszko is mainland Australia's highest mountain at 1,228 meters above sea level. It is located on the main range of the Snowy Mountains in Kosciuszko National Park, a part of the Australian Alps National Parks and Reserves in New South Wales, Australia, and is located west of Creekman Back and close to Jindabyne. Math. In geometry, a coordinate system is a system that uses one or more numbers or coordinates to uniquely determine the position of the points or other geometric elements on a manifold such as Euclidean space. The order of the coordinates is significant and they are sometimes identified by their position and in ordered tuple and sometimes by a letter as the x-coordinate. The coordinates are taken by the real number in elementary mathematics but may be complex numbers or elements of a more abstract system such as commutative ring. Ayurveda. Honey is a sweet, viscous food substance made by honeybees and some related insects. Bees produces honey from the sugary secretion of plant or from secretion of other insects by regurgitation, enzymatic activity and water evaporation. Bees store honey in black structures called honeycombs. Village Town, Nevada is a city and a municipality in Bihar, India. It is also the headquarters of the Nevada district. It is the headquarters of the subdivision of the same name lying on both sides of the Khuri River. At 24 degree and 85 degree is the same involved from Nevada, meaning the new town. On 26 January 1973, Nevada was formed as separated district from Gaya. Today's event, August Revolution commemoration in Bantam, birthday of Crown Princess Mati married in Norway. Afghan Independence Day commemorates the Treaty of Rawalpindi in 1919, granting independence from Britain to Afghanistan. 1839, the French government announces that Louis Daguerre photographic process is a gift free to the world. Weather news. UP Rajasthan. Heavy rain alert. Today's temperature in Patna 28 degrees Celsius and in Delhi 30 degrees Celsius. First World War, also known as World War I or the Great War, was a global war that lasted from 28th July 1940 to November 1918, contemporaneously described as the War of End All Wars. It led to the mobilization of more than 70 million military personnel, including 60 million Europeans, making it one of the largest wars in history. It is one also of the deadliest conflicts in history, with an estimated 9 million combatant deaths and 13 million civilian deaths as a direct result of the war, while resulting genocides and the related 1918 influenza pandemic caused another 70 to 100 million deaths worldwide. Today's for that's all I take for tomorrow. Live, stay healthy, be happy. माँ भारती की जय.
ओम द्यौः शान्तिरन्तरिक्ष ओम शान्तिः पृथ्वी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्ति ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वगुण शान्ति शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः.